Do you worry about ultra-processed foods? Do you want to mill your own flour? Well, this is what I do. I purchased my grain in a 20 kilo bag from Whole Foods online. Cost me £30 and it's organic wheat. I sourced a small mill on Vinted, new and unused, for £30. I mix it 25%, 25%, 50%. So 25% my flour, 25% Cotswold Crunch, and 50% strong white ordinary bread flour. If we decide we'd like some extra seeds, then these can be mixed in at this point. As you will see, you get a beautiful, soft flour that's made. It can be milled for longer to get it finer, and it can also be sieved as well. I hope you found that useful. I'm learning as I go, and any tips and any feedback would be greatly received. Thank you very much.